Hi guys, this is Tushar and today I will show you how to install a pass light switch in Honda Aviator with some things. We need a 4-head screwdriver, a flat head screwdriver, some electrical tape, sandpaper, a wire, a 14 number spanner and a TVS Jupiter pass light switch to install in Honda Aviator. This is a TVS genuine part. This I will bought from a TVS showroom, and this I bought from for rupees 100, but here written 97. You can bought it easily from any TVS showroom or any spare part showroom. First we have to remove this 4 wire from this clip. I have removed this with the help of this with the help of this safety pin. With the help of safety pin, we first press inside this safety pin with some pressure, and we can easily remove this pin from with wire from this clip. If you don't want to remove like this, you can cut also with a scissor. uh, Cut also with a scissor. So guys, let's start installing this pass light switch in Honda Aviator with some easy steps. So let's start guys. So guys, this is a wiring diagram of Honda Aviator and TVS Jupiter. This is a high beam in Honda Aviator. High beam blue wire, low beam white wire, and main power white wire with black line on it. And TVS Jupiter, the high beam yellow wire, low beam white wire with red line, and main power yellow wire with green line. And there is a extra wire of pass light wire, which is orange wire in color. So we have to do blue connect yellow TVS Jupiter yellow wire with the blue wire, and a white wire with the red line with the white wire, and main power yellow wire with green line to white wire with black line. And this pass light wire orange wire we have to connect with ignition switch of switch positive side. So this is a wiring diagram of both the scooters. If you want to if you want this diagrams, so write this आप लिख के रख सकते हो इसको, और आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हो वीडियो में से. So let's install it guys. So guys, this is a Honda Aviator, and first we have to remove these mirrors from it, and after removing it we have to remove this this screw here, this screw and this screw and this screw, the this screw for removing this front fairing. First we have to remove this, and after removing this we have to remove this switch. I show you how to remove this. And after this we have to remove this front nose to do the connections with the ignition switch. So let's do it guys. So guys, we need a 14 number spanner to remove these mirrors like this. By twisting like this, we remove these mirror. Similarly, we remove this other mirror like this. After removing these, we need a 4-head screwdriver to remove these screws. We have to remove the 5 screws from the fairing. And last you have to remove this nut which is with, at last we have to remove this nut which is under the headlight. like this we have to remove this, and after removing these screws we have to remove we have to remove this these wire from the these wire from the light like this, and this wire also. So guys, this is not removing from this, so I have to put this phone. Before add screwdriver you have to remove this like this. After this you put here, put it here. After this you have to remove the this nut, not this, with a four-head screwdriver. After removing this nut, you have to remove the connection of all switch. These are the connection of all switch. You have to remove these connections. So let's remove these connection, guys. So guys, after removing these wire we have to remove this deeper switch or pass light switch from this dash. So let's remove this guy by putting some pressure from backward side on this switch. We get its switch out from the this dash, and after getting this switch, we have this space, and this space is a bit smaller, and this switch is a bit bigger from this. So to extend this size of the this hole, we have to we use this sandpaper to extend its size by rubbing like this. So let's start rubbing with it. Rub it from two sides only, because if we rub it more than the the then the size is more, and it this will not fix properly into it. So I'm fitting this switch into it by putting this pressure into it, and this is fixed properly. And after this we have to do the connections with these wires. I will show you how the in wiring diagram you seen how, how to join these wires to these. uh, let's see how to join these wires. So guys, we have to join these wires with the old wires. We have to join yellow wire with blue wire, white wire with red line to white wire with red line to white wire, and yellow wire with green line to white wire with black line. And afterwards we have to extend this wire with the other wire, like this we can extend it. After extending it, we have to open this front nose to join this wire with ignition switch. We have to open this front fairing. We have to remove this wire, sorry, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw. Before I was removing this fairing, I have told you the wrong nut to remove. We have to while removing this fairing, we have to remove this nut, this screw, and this screw, and this front screw. So let's remove the nose, guys. Like this, we have to first we have to remove from the down side and afterwards from upper side. So we have removed this, and we have to join this wire to this ignition switch. We have to join this extended wire to this ignition switch. First we have to remove this from this, like this. Then we have to join this wire to its positive side. Positive side means where the current is not in, means जहाँ पे करंट नहीं आ रहा हो उस वाले में डालना है हमको ये, क्योंकि अगर हम जिसमें करंट आ रहा होगा उसमें डाल देंगे तो फिर हम इग्निशन ऑफ रखेंगे तो उस टाइम भी हमारी लाइट कोई भी जला सकता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी बैटरी लो हो जाएगी। तो हम इसे ज्वाइन कर देते हैं। अब मैं आपको ज्वाइन करके दिखाता हूँ। तो गाइज ये मैंने ज्वाइन कर दिया है, लेकिन सॉरी ये बाहर की नॉइस आ रही है, काफ़ी ट्रैक्टर वगैरह जा रहे हैं यहाँ से, इसलिए। सो गाइज मैंने ज्वाइन कर दिया है। तो अब इसे चेक करते हैं, क्योंकि हम इसे चेक बिना इंजन ऑन करे कर सकते हैं। हमें इग्निशन ऑन करना है और सिर्फ ये देखना है कि पास हो रहा है कि नहीं। सो इट इज़ पासिंग, एंड this is the sign, this is a sign the while I'll pushing this button that it is we are done the correct wiring. So just we have to tape this wiring, and to cover this front nose and front fairing. So guys, we have done with our work. Now it's working properly. Now you can see properly. It's a daytime. That's why you, if you don't see properly, because this is the daytime. So we are done with the work, guys. This is my first video, and this is my first video. That's why I'm a bit nervous and doing mistake. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. If you want to see more videos, coming videos on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.